Why do you get to speak spoken English? Why more Indian get feared when it comes to spoken English? But more people are not think about it that it will very easy, it will very simple, it is very normal, like other work, like other achievement. So if you try to speak English without fear, without shyness, we can easily earn this capacity. We easily will be able to speak English by a normal way. So this track is not very hard. This track is not a rocket science. This track is not a any researchable subject. This is not a very deep genetic science. It is very simple and normal. So I hope who wants to grow his life must he should learn this language. He should do anything with this matter. So I would say one thing there, if you want to do in your life, obviously you should think about with it. I am going to say about grammar. Without basic grammar, I think anyone does not be fluent in the spoken English journey. So I think as I learn this language in this way, I can say one thing there, basic grammar rule is need there. I am going to say something about some grammar tips. Already I have done three video, present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and another is present perfect tense. Today I am going to talk about another present part in grammar. It is present perfect continuous tense, which is there I say present perfect continuous tense. There will stay one subject, have verb, and been plus ing will be adding in every part of the last part, every present for verb. So and last part of the sentence there can be for or since. So like this trick, like this grammatical rule, we construct thousands of sentences by using present perfect continuous tense. There I again say there will be subject, have verb, been plus ing and since or for. Last will be the rest part of the sentences. I am giving an example there. I have been learning the spoken English for 3 years. Watch it. There I subject have been have have verb and been plus learning. main verb plus ing, and for this is mandatory, and last the rest part of the sentences. So you can construct like this thousands of sentences using this strip, using the basic grammatical rule. So let's jump into another example. I have been doing the work for 3 days. I have been staying in our country for 3 years. So like these sentences you can use your daily journey, your daily spoken English. So it is very simple trick and tips, but there is another most important word. It is since or for. There if there is fixed time, so there is used since. Without it we can use for. So I have been learning spoken English since 2023. There is used since, but when there don't have fixed time is used for. Example, I have been learning spoken English for 3 years. So there is no time fixed. So there is used only for. So this is little bit difference are here. So we can aware with it. So if you try to spoken English, if you try to anything in your life, mostly spoken English is a very important. There can be no barrier. It can be age limit, it can be time limit, it can be job limit, it can be status, it can be education limit. So any age, any duration, any situation, any kind of environment, if you want to do something with your spoken English journey, easily you can earn it. So I can say one thing, as a low educated man, as a intermediate educated man, I can say if I am able to speak this language, why not you? Why not do you speak English? If you try to like me, mostly in future you will say easily and normal way like me.